Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you the honest truth behind the beauty products you're curious about. Today, I'm diving into a product that's all about keeping your smile fresh, literally. We're talking about the Waterpik Cordless Water Flosser and its companion, Fresh Mint Whitening Refill Tablets. Now, if you're someone who's ever struggled with flossing, maybe you can't stand the string, or you're looking for something more convenient, this could be a game changer. But does it actually live up to the hype? Let's find out. Product overview. First off, let's break down what exactly we're working with here. The Waterpik Cordless Water Flosser is a battery-operated, handheld device designed for people on the go. It doesn't require charging, which is a huge plus for those who want something portable. Just pop in 3 LA batteries, and you're good to go for up to 2 months, depending on usage. It's ideal for travel or smaller bathrooms, especially if you're tight on outlet space. It comes with 2 pressure settings, ranging from 45 to 75 psi, allowing you to customize your flossing experience. You also get a removable 5/0 reservoir that's top rack dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. With a 30-second flossing time, it's perfect for quick daily use, and it's even safe to use in the shower. Now for the Fresh Mint Whitening tablets, these are designed to work in conjunction with the Waterpik to help remove stains from those hard-to-reach areas, like between your teeth and along the gum line. Each tablet offers a refreshing mint taste, giving you that clean, fresh feeling. Plus, you get 30 tablets per bottle, making it easy to incorporate into your routine, real-world testing and usage experience. I'm all about practical use, and the Waterpik Cordless Water Flosser definitely delivered in that department. The setup is incredibly easy. Just insert the batteries, fill the reservoir, and you're ready to go. I was honestly impressed with how effective this little device is, especially for something so portable. The pressure settings were strong enough to give my gums a good clean without feeling harsh, which is important. I could really feel the difference after flossing, especially around those tricky areas where food tends to get stuck. One thing I loved is how convenient it is to use in the shower. I know that's a weird thing to bring up, but seriously, how many of us actually floss every day? Having it right there in the shower makes it that much easier to incorporate into my routine. As for the whitening tablets, they're a nice addition to your daily regimen. The mint flavor is crisp without being overpowering, and I did notice a subtle improvement in the whiteness of my teeth after a few uses. Pros and cons. Let's run through the pros and cons to get a complete picture. On the plus side, this flosser is incredibly easy to use and maintain. No cords, no charging stations, just pop in your batteries and you're good to go. It's travel-friendly and small enough to fit into a suitcase without taking up much space. The pressure settings also could give you options depending on how sensitive your gums are, which is a nice touch. However, the one downside is the need to replace the batteries every month or 2. While it's not a deal breaker, it's something to keep in mind. You could easily get caught without a fresh set of batteries when you need it most, but on the flip side, it's nice that you don't have to worry about charging it. Value for money. Now, let's talk about whether the Waterpik Cordless Water Flosser is worth the investment. Given its price point and the fact that it comes with everything you need for easy on-the-go flossing, I'd say it offers solid value. You're getting a portable, effective solution to keep your teeth clean and your gums healthy. The addition of the Fresh Mint Whitening tablets is a nice touch, but keep in mind, they're more of a supplementary product to the flosser. So, if you're just looking for basic flossing, you could skip the tablets, but if you're after that extra whitening boost, they're a great option. Comparisons. When you compare this to other portable flossers, the Waterpik Cordless Water Flosser stands out for its ease of use and the fact that it doesn't require a charging dock. There are similar battery-operated models, but the convenience of this particular design, especially for travel, is a major selling point. Plus, Waterpik's brand reputation for being dentist-recommended speaks volumes about the quality. Build quality and longevity. The build quality is solid for a battery-operated device. It's lightweight, but it feels sturdy. The reservoir is dishwasher safe, which makes maintaining it simple. And I can see this product lasting quite a while as long as you're on top of replacing the batteries. The whitening tablets, on the other hand, are a one-time purchase that will last you a while, as you get 30 in a bottle. Mid-review call to action. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get your hands on it, the link is in the comments below. Customer support. I haven't personally interacted with Waterpik's customer service, but the brand has a solid reputation for handling inquiries and issues. Given its track record with dental professionals and their reputation for quality, I'd expect their customer support to be just as reliable. Product alternatives. If you're looking for something a bit more budget-friendly, there are other battery-operated water flossers on the market, but you'll likely sacrifice some of the key features, like the convenient, shower-friendly design or the easy-to-use pressure settings. If you're after a premium experience, however, the Waterpik Cordless Flosser is a solid option that justifies its price. Final verdict. To sum it up, the Waterpik Cordless Water Flosser is a must-have for anyone looking for an effective, portable, and easy-to-use solution for flossing. It's perfect for travel, small bathrooms, or people who struggle with traditional flossing. While it's not the cheapest option out there, its convenience and performance make it well worth the price. If you're someone who values ease of use and wants a flosser that can go with you everywhere, this is definitely worth considering. End of video engagement. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.